is fucking huge. Holy shit. Okay, those are 11 inches for reference. Bro, what the fuck? That is gnarly.
It is kind of fucking gnarly.
Bro. It's so big. You did a good job. It looks nice.
Thanks. There's a lot of work.
Yeah, I bet, bro. What the fuck? What?
What do you not know how to respond to, bitch? Huh? Okay.
Look at that piece of shit.
Why is you... I'm just trying to make it so it's got like a little bit more of like an angle to bite onto.
Some head. You want some head?
Yeah, the filter ain't spinning off, but this thing's coming out, which is what the filter threads onto.
Wait, so it's de-threading from the filter?
Yeah, the filter's like stuck onto the fucking cooler.
Yeah, so that's probably like 2 problems at once, huh?
There you go, buddy. Let's take it to the fucking bench.
Ah, shit. Shout out my dad, dude.
And put this back on before we forget.
We got it. Well, Eric got it, technically. I was confused where to go with it. Now we gotta get that on. We got the new fucking filter, the... Oh my god. Oil pressure switch. Thank you to Eric. We got the oil filter and oil change done on the ST. So now we're back in the garage chilling. I got the oil pressure sensor done as well. Unfortunately though, I think it's faulty or there's something wrong with the clip where I broke the connection on the wiring harness itself when I broke the clip. But I don't think that's the case because I pulled the clip out perfectly fine. So who knows? But either way, the oil change is done, the car runs and drives, and we're moving on the road. So that's lit. I gotta clean up in here, and we pretty much at this point need to go through my parts and figure out what I need to buy and not buy. I have some stuff coming for the Rebel and the mini bike, so we'll have some videos on that coming, and I'm about to do a test live stream really quick the night before this video comes out to just kind of see what it's like with the phone, because the other computer does not have a power supply to do live streaming from it out here at the moment. But realistically, that'd be the best option, is to take my other computer, mount it up out here, mount a monitor on the wall out here, and use that for streaming and then like music purposes as well. So I'll be back when we have some more stuff to film. All right, we're all cleaned up. I have a few things coming for the bike for the next video. So I'm gonna take off these motherfuckers, and I'm going to take off the exhaust real quick, and then we'll call it a video probably, unless something exciting shows up tomorrow, which I'm not sure it will. We'll find out if we're lucky or not. Hopefully we're lucky and we can just do all of this tomorrow. That'd be really cool, but not everything can work out the way that we would like it to. We're gonna take the whole insert off. We're gonna have to get something to go inside of the hole. Well, good thing we're getting new ones. This one's a little bit shit because it's so close. There we go. Guess it really wasn't that bad. But yeah, I definitely want to get something to fill those just so they don't get water and stuff through them. We don't want to ruin it. And then the exhaust, I don't know what size the exhaust is, so we're just gonna take all this with us. But basically, you know how I was talking about that sound deadening piece? I basically bought that boy. We're gonna give it a shot. I hope it fits. I don't know how to necessarily go about putting it on, but we'll find out when it gets here. Speed up the whole process. We'll just get everything pretty much ready to go. I think it kind of just slips inside of here, and then you kind of slip this on over top of it. So like I said, we'll find out when it gets here, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to do at this point. The bike is crusty and dusty. It needs to be cleaned. I want to do that. I want to do mirrors, and then we're going to do the levers as well. I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Another short and sweet video. But the weather's about to get nice. We're about to start rolling on things. Stuff coming for this, stuff coming for the mini bike. And then we're going to get some fuel line for this because this fuel line is cracked and crusty over here, so we need to get some fuel line there. Hopefully we don't have any issues because I didn't drain this, it just sat all winter, so yeah, kind of nervous about that. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get the stuff I was hoping for today. We did get the chain for the mini bike though, so that's exciting. The other package said it was out and shipped for delivery, but apparently it's coming maybe tomorrow. I don't really know. Kind of confused, but it's all good. We now have 10 feet of 35 roller chain with a master link, and we have another master link out in the garage as well, so we have a few extras. But we should have more than enough chain now to finish the mini bike situation, so I'm excited for that. And I got a little fan to fix my laptop, so we have that for the live streaming situation now. And then yeah, we should have the other parts for the motorcycle in the next video. Maybe we'll do that next video. I'm not really sure what our plan is, if we're gonna do more Speed 6 stuff or work on the motorcycle. At this point, I'm kind of just needing to, like I said, organize, write out my list of parts I need to buy and all that stuff, which I'm gonna be doing tonight. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. The video's about to come out in like 20-30 minutes, so I'll see you then. Peace.